Hi, y'all.
Hi.
So, I am doing a video to tell everyone that I made a new channel. I have a Facebook page and an Instagram page now. It's called Crisp Family Farm. Just like this one says, Crisp Family Farm, but it is a new channel. I will put the link down below.
The Chris Family Homestead?
No, I changed it from Chris Family Homestead and to Chris Family Farm. On the new channel, it is also Chris Family Farm. There will be a picture of me on there. So I am in a red and white flannel shirt, like almost on the picture. The reason why I changed everything is because I want the email, the Instagram, the Facebook page, everything to be on one email. That's why I'm changing everything. So, I just want to share. Yes, I have a new phone. I'm still going to keep this phone, my Straight Talk phone. That's not going to be activated no more. I have a new Google Pixel 3, and it does so much better video. So, Russ and I talked about it, and he didn't really like the homestead, so we changed it to Chris Family Farm. And I have a Facebook page and a Instagram page. Just want to do an update. If you are a subscriber to this channel, please, I beg you, go to the new channel. I'm gonna stop posting videos on this channel. I did make a playlist for my old channel on my new channel. So I do have a playlist of all these videos. I'm trying to get them all to go over, and I woke up with a migraine this morning, so I'm a little slow on everything.
Oh, turtle.
But I'm asking you, please go to the new channel. I have 2 subscribers, and that is because I subscribe to my own channel. And I don't know who the other one is. So I'm just want to do an update to let you guys know I'm trying to get my new account onto the small YouTube homestead thing on Facebook. So if anybody watches this and you are on the small YouTube Facebook page for homesteaders, please message them or something and let them know that I changed my channel. I don't know what I'm doing. I just wanted to do a quick update and let people know what's going on. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust my arm here. It's still kind of sore from where I fell the other day. So, I cannot stress that enough. I have 76 subscribers. I know some of them are family. Probably most of them are family. But I did start this page, this Facebook channel here that I'm talking on now, on as a sewing page. Because I like to sew and stuff too. I'm just going to do everything on the new page and get off of this one. Start a new account, new email, chrisfamilyfarms@gmail.com. I'm not getting paid to do none of this. I just do this for fun and so I can learn from you guys. I do like the subscribers. I do like the interaction. My goal one of these days is to go to one of the YouTube get-togethers and meet people like Roots and Refuge. I want to meet Jess and Maya. Silver's Homestead, I want to go meet them. VW Farms, I like watching them. Like those are a lot of the channels. Two Family Homestead. There's a lot of them. I can't think of them right now. I watch a lot of them. Like 180 degrees, 180 from average. I like watching them. The Haulers Homestead.
Can I tell him what I did that for?
No. He's off subject. I just trying to get everybody to move over. I know I have new subscribers. I think one of them was Garden for Cheap. I would like, my new subscribers to go over to the new channel. I don't remember everyone. It's kind of hard to remember everyone when I have all my disabilities and everything. So my other channel is going to be based on trying to run a small farm with all the disabilities I have, and fighting depression and stuff like that. I just want to do a vlog and let people know that even though you have disabilities and even though you struggle, with the grace of God and the love of God, you can still get through this stuff. Yesterday we worked out in the yard all day yesterday. I woke up this morning with a migraine because I am legally blind in one eye because the octave nerve never formed. So I just cannot stress enough, please go to the new channel. I'm going to figure a way so I can put the link down in the description box. Please go to the new channel. And I'm trying to get all my playlists set up from this channel onto the other one. I'm very new at farming. I'm very new at YouTube. I just love how the homestead on Facebook, everybody on there, they're very loving, they're very caring. I mean, I've learned so much watching everybody's channels. It's just amazing. I was inspired by Jess from Roots and Refuge to start my own seed swap, and that will be going on May 4th, I think we decided. Yeah, May 4th. It's on a Saturday here at the local school, at the local library, from 11 to 2. So if you're in the Waterloo, Ironton, Ashland, in this area, more than welcome to come. I would love to meet someone from YouTube. That would be so great. Not very sociable person. I talk to family mostly and friends. I don't have a lot of friends. I just have a few. I'm thankful for that. But I just really hope you guys go to the new channel. I cannot stress that enough. Please go to the new channel. Probably sound like a broken record. So David and I are going to cut this off and say goodbye, and probably post a couple more videos to encourage people to go to the new channel. God bless. Y'all have a wonderful day. And thank you for all you subscribers, and thank you in advance for everyone who goes to the new channel. I appreciate that.